text effects in the Pixel Power Create software. To start with, I've created a blank page and I'm going to add some text to that. To add the text effects, I select the text object, right click, select text effects, and I want to add a fade in text modifier. We can see down in the timeline that that has been added, and if I scrub backwards and forwards on the timeline you can see the fade in. It's fading in character by character. I can change that by selecting the text effects by clicking on the T icon, going to properties, and down here this is selected to animate, and I'm going to change it to animate by line. We'll now see that it fades in on the basis of the entire line. I now want to add a fade out. Again, I select the text object, right click and select text effects, fade out. The fade out modifier has been added at the same point in the timeline, so I want to take that and move that down the timeline. Again, the fade out modifier is done on a character by character basis, so again I'll select the T and select this to be on the basis of lines. You see it fades in, it stays, it fades out. There are other things that we can do. We could, for example, instead of just simply fading out, we can make it blur as it fades out. So now the fade out goes through a blur stage. We can also change colours. So I can make it a coloured fade out, so you can see that goes through a coloured stage partway along. There are other things that we can do, but those are the simple text effects modifiers in Pixel Power Create software.